Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin. This is Math Class 2 and today we are going to learn how to simplify ratios in a fun and easy way. Now if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss our next class, and don't forget to leave a comment below to tell me your favorite part of today's lesson. Now let's dive right into our agenda for today. Now in today's class we are going to learn what is ratio, we are going to learn what is GCD, then we are going to learn and practice how to make ratios smaller, and then we will review. Alright, so the question is, the first agenda is, what is ratio? Now a ratio is a way to compare two things. Like for example, if I have 3 apples and 2 green apples, I mean if I have 3 red apples and 2 green apples, the ratio of the red apples to the green apples is 3 to 2, and it is written on the screen below. Let me use my arrow to indicate it. Like this is how you write it. Okay, now let's go to the next. Now how to simplify ratios. We are going to learn how to simplify ratios. Now first of all, what does it mean to simplify? Now in English, to simplify means to make something smaller but the same, just like we do when we want to make fractions smaller. Like for example, look at the fraction on the slide. We have what? We have 4 and we have 4/10. Now they say 4/10 is equals to 2/5. Now that 2/5, it's just like they simplified the 4/10, and the result you got here is the 2/5. That's what it means to simplify, to make something smaller. Okay, let's go to the next. Now the next question is, what is GCD? Now GCD means greatest common divisor. Now it is the biggest number that goes into both numbers. Like when you want to simplify, you have to divide, right? That common factors that goes into both numbers that will enable you to divide, the greatest common factor. That's the meaning of GCD. Okay, let's try an example. They say the GCD of 12 and 18. Let's try to know the GCD of 12 and 18. Now first of all, the first step is for you to get the GCD of 12 and 18. You need to list the factors of 12 and 18, and the factors of 12 and 18 is also given below. The factors of 12 are, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6, and we have 12. Okay, let's look at the factors of 18. The factors of 18, it's, we have what? 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6, we have 9, and we have 18. Now for you to look for the GCD of 12 and 18, you have to look for the common factors. Now what does it mean? What do I mean by common factors? Now what I mean is those numbers that are appearing in 12 and 18, those the same numbers. Like for example, we have 1 appearing in both 12 and 18. We have 2 appearing in both 12 and 18. We have 3 also. We have 6 also. These are the common factors. Now the greatest common factors among them, for example, okay, look at, these are the common factors. So the greatest common factors among them is 6, which is the highest. So now if you want to simplify 12 and 18, we are going to use what? 6, because 6 is the greatest common factor that can go into 12 and 18. So let's solve an example. Let's learn how to simplify. Okay, let's simplify a ratio 12 and 18. Now both can be divided by 6. Yes, both can be divided by 6, like what we did for the GCD. We use the greatest common divisor was 6, so we can use 6 to divide both sides. So now we say 12 divided by 6 is 2. Then we say 18 divided by 3 is what, divided by 6 is what, 3. So 12 to 18 becomes 2 to 3. Now what have you done? It means that you have what? Simplified. Okay, can you simplify this? Let's try. Let me test you. Let me see if you can do this. Simplify 16 to 24. Also simplify 10 to 20 and 9 to 12. Let me see what you've got. Okay. Now let's check our answers. Okay, the answer for 6 and 24, the GCD is 8, and when you simplify both of them by 8, you get what? 2 to 3. Same goes to 10 and 20. The GCD is 10, which is the greatest common factor, and when you simplify, you have what? 1 and 2, 1 to 2. Then also the GCD of 9 and 12 is 3. When you divide both sides by that 3, you have what? 3 to 4. Did you get them right? Yeah, if you get them right, indicate. Okay, great job, well done. Okay, now let us review. Now, well done. You've learned what ratio is. You learned what GCD means, and you have learned how to make ratios smaller. Now you did an amazing job today. Now you know how to make ratios smaller using GCD. Next time we are going to learn how to compare ratios. See you too soon. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you will have more updates. Thank you, and God bless you.